What's up, guys? I know I said in my last video that this upcoming video was going to be a video about a really awesome mod. I had some technical difficulties with my camera and I finally got that issue resolved, but I won't have that video out till next week. So next week, that really awesome mod video is coming. But this week, I have a riding video. In this video, I'm just exploring the new property we got. We're cutting some trails and just kind of checking out the entire property. We're not really ripping on it because I mean the whole property is overgrown and we don't know what's underneath. We found a lot of like rolls of barbed wire and different posts and stumps everywhere, so we're kind of being a little bit cautious, but this video will give you an idea of our new property and how much property we got. Also in this video, I slipped in a short clip of me achieving a childhood dream of mine. It's not too serious, but it's pretty awesome. I hope you enjoy. Check it out. We just picked up something really stupid. It didn't make any sense at all, but it sounded fun, so I'll show you what it is. So we picked up a cheap jet ski to go on the pond. Not a very big pond, kind of long, but this thing was really cheap, so I just picked it up for some fun. It pretty clean for the year. It started right up. Just gonna rip around the pond, hopefully kind of start moving the water around so it gets rid of some of these weeds. I put some chemicals in the pond, just trying to stir it up. Unfortunately, it did not come with the trailer either. So we got some moving blankets in my side-by-side trailer. Let's rip it. This thing's got a long nose. Crap. It didn't want to turn. Wait, it's got reverse. What do you put in reverse? Yeah. Gotta clean her out. I freaking beached right in over there. I tried to turn and I was leaning the opposite way I was turning and it just didn't turn, just straight into the beach. Get back. Get back. so that's the new property. And the jet ski, that was my childhood dream. I always wanted a big pond with a jet ski in it on my property, and I finally got it. The pond's a little bit overgrown, but it's getting cleaned up. And the jet ski is a little older than I wanted, but still, I got it. It's a lot of fun, kind of dumb, but it's a good time. If you like this video, check out some of our other videos. We have a lot of different riding videos, tips and tricks, mod videos for a lot of different off-road machines, side-by-sides, quads, trucks, snowmobiles. Got the jet ski now, but I doubt we're gonna do a whole lot of mods to that. But speaking of mods, this next video that I'm coming out with, for sure this time, is gonna be a really awesome mod, and you're really gonna wanna check that out. I've finally got it all recorded, just gotta get it uploading now, so. All right, thanks for watching, see you next time.
Woo! You guys can't see down there. You're screwed. There's a tree.
Hold on. No!
Oh! Don't get underneath it. Be careful. Good?
Good!